So, what is Wetiko? It's a highly distorted, inverted, and chaotic state of consciousness, operating with a band of frequency generated by its distortion, inversion, and chaos. Imagine a field of energy consciousness in a harmonious state, with a band within it of pure, chaotic, distorted evil. Evil, in my definition, being the absence of love. It is the absence of love that inverts everything touched by Wetiko. Secret society initiates and Satanists are attached to Wetiko in their rituals, often unknowingly in terms of many Freemasons, for example. And as the attachment increases, so personalities visibly change and intent gets darker and darker as Wetiko infuses itself into the human mind.